Oh man. Train. What's up guys, I'm Code Gray, welcome to the channel. So today is multiple choice day. This is my only day off this week. Due to the holidays, I had to make up extra time for the days they gave us off. Isn't that nice? So I only get one day off this week. Technically not even a full day because I leave on a Saturday morning and go back in on a Sunday night. That's the night shift for you. But anyway, not here to complain. I'm here to cram in some riding time. Now, my original idea today was just not vlog, just to get out and ride. And I planned on going back to Squire's Castle. Always like to visit the castle, and it's a pretty nice ride there. But my wife reminded me that in the town that we used to live in, there's a festival going on called the Maple Festival. And we used to go there every year. The last couple years it's been closed due to the pandemic, but it finally reopened this year. Depending on how crazy it is, maybe I'll stop in, maybe not. If it's a little too congested, then I might just head straight for the castle. Oh dude, this is that's a bad driveway right there, bud. Oof. That's a hidden driveway around the corner. That's gonna suck. This guy wants to race in front of me. That's fine, dude. I'm not out to race you, but if you want to keep traffic moving, I'm right behind you, man. I'm here to support you. Okay, so here's a random question for you, well, for not only cruiser guys, but sport bike guys too. All right. Speaking of which, do you guys feel that everybody wants to race you? I get two types of drivers in front of me. Either the ones that pay zero attention that I'm there, or, now this is my opinion and in my mind, but I think some of these drivers, they see a sport bike coming up behind them and they're like, oh, well, bet you this guy thinks he's fast. I'm going to show him what my car can do. And they take right off. And that's completely cool by me, because that way I don't have to be frustrated getting stuck behind a slow driver. But I think it's kind of funny as well. You saw nothing. Oh, Triumph, huh? No shit. First one I've seen in the wild. What is that? The Trident. Triumph Trident. That's pretty cool. Suppose it is kind of a stubby looking bike, huh? Good looking bike, but a bit on the stubby side. Alright, we're coming into Chardon. It's Saturday, mid-afternoon, so it should be peak suckiness for traffic and congestion. People walking, everything. Oh, they got it all closed off, huh? Guess I'm going to the right. They closed it off way down here. Guess we're not going by the festival, guys. Not this way, anyway. Oh, I can't even cut through there, huh? You guys suck. Have to go up here by my old high school, maybe. They'll even listen. Got that road closed. Oh, okay, we can go left here. That's what we're gonna do. Home of the Hilltoppers. Oh, they changed the sign. That's funny. So what's funny about them changing the Chardon High School sign? Well, guys, if you take the C away from Chardon, it spells hard on. So it used to be a thing that the high school kids during the summer would steal the C off the Chardon High School sign until they installed security cameras, of course. But this was 80s, early 90s. Well, now they just changed the sign completely, so kind of funny. Well, it looks like everybody has missed the Maple Festival, because I did ride by there and it is so congested they closed all the roads leading to it, so there's no driving by it or riding by it. You want to go to the festival, you're walking. So we're skipping that idea today. Now, I know I did a video before on the castle. That was early in my YouTube career. It's got very little views. I did a little backstory on it. If you really want the backstory, you can go check that one out. I mean, it's nothing dramatic. But yeah, who knows? We'll see how the crowd is today. Maybe I'll do some more filming. Oh, nice. Pink limo. Pink truck limo. Okay. Coming up on the castle right now. Oh boy. Really packed. Okay, awesome. This might just be a ride through. We'll see. Hold on, we got to get some footage of this. There's the castle, guys. Looks like we got some LARPing going on over here. You're not sure what that is? That is live action role play. Oh yeah. Got some swords and shields, by the looks of it. All right, we better go. I got people coming. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. This moto vlog will probably be a mishmash of randomness. Like I said, I went out today to just get some riding in. There was more moto, less vlog. I can't say it's going to be very coherent. Oh, I'm going to get caught by another train. I got caught by a train at the beginning of this. I'm going to wrap this one up, guys. I'm Code Gray. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Do 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 do.